My personal reaction is what?
How you see this remarks?
The remark? I think it is unfortunate. I have to admit that I know Mr. Velingkar personally. I hold him in high regard. I do not know what has provoked him into making such a statement. To me, he is otherwise a thorough gentleman. Something must have provoked him. And
this is not our first time. He had done it earlier also.
no, I agree. I have not said he's not done it earlier. But something must be some return must be there. That's why he's come out with this statement.
Seeking a DNA, you feel that?
That is a way of saying. That is a way of saying what you do DNA and what you're going to achieve with the DNA. What are you trying to say? You're trying to study his parentage of family history. What are you going to do with the DNA? See, as far as the remark,
Very inflammatory.
I don't think the government is quiet on it. The complaints have been filed. I'm confident the government will act on the complaints.